Good morning, children. How are you all? I am Asha, your AVS teacher from Dr. Besant English Medium School. Children, in the last video, what we discussed about? Yes, tell me what it is. We discussed about our speaking task, about neighbors and friends. So, all are enjoying with your neighbors and friends? Yes. So, today we are going to our next lesson. What it is? What it is? I will tell you. Our lesson name is My Neighborhood. I already told you about neighbors and friends. About neighbors and friends. Who are neighbors? Who are neighbors? The surrounding people who are living in your area. Yes, the surrounding people who are living in your area, we call them as neighbors. Yes, neighbors. So today we are going to learn about our neighborhood. So our lesson name is My Neighborhood. Our lesson 3 is My Neighborhood. My neighborhood. Yes. Our lesson name is My Neighborhood. So, do you know what is a neighborhood? Do you know what is a neighborhood? Yes, I will tell you what is a neighborhood. Neighborhood. So, what is neighborhood? The area in which we are living. The area in which we are living. Now you are at home. Yes? And the surrounding area, or we can call it as the surrounding area in which we are living, we can call it as a neighborhood. What it is? Neighborhood. Again I will tell you. The area in which we are living. In which we are living. Yes. The area in which we are living is called as a neighborhood, or we can call it as, see here, the surrounding area. The surrounding area. The surrounding area in which we are living, we can call it as neighborhood. What it is? Neighborhood. What is neighborhood? The area in which we are living. The area in which we are living, we called it as neighborhood, or the surrounding area. The surrounding area in which we are living, we called it as neighborhood. What it is? Neighborhood. Repeat it along with me. What is our lesson name? My neighborhood. What it is? My neighborhood. My neighborhood. Yes. What is neighborhood? The area in which we are living. We are living in a area. We are living in a area. So that area we called it as a neighborhood, or the surrounding area in which we are living is a neighborhood. So do you know what are there in our neighborhood? Do you have any idea? Yes, in our neighborhood there are 2 different features. How many features? 2 different features. 2 different features are there in our neighborhood. What are those? Natural features. Natural features. And the second one is man-made or artificial features. Man-made or artificial. Man-made or artificial features. Man-made or artificial features. Yes. In our neighborhood, there are how many types of features are there? How many types of features are there? Yes, 2 types. How many types? 2 types. What are those? Natural features, and the second one is man-made features. Natural features and man-made features. Repeat it along with me. How many types of features are there? Yes, 2 types. What are those? What are those? Natural features and man-made or artificial features. Man-made or artificial features. Now we are going to learn one by one. What is the natural features and what are man-made features? Coming to the first one is nothing but natural features. What it is? First one is natural features. Yes, what are natural features? What are natural features? Yes, natural features are nothing but naturally they occurred. Naturally they occurred. Yes, they are coming from nature. Naturally occur, or they are coming from nature. Coming from nature, and those are God's gift. God's gift. No one is preparing the natural features. No one is preparing the natural features. They are naturally occurred. And those are God's gift. God's gift. What are those? Do you have any idea? Examples? Yes, I will tell you. In your surroundings, hills are there. Hills. I will show you the picture here. What it is? Hill. Yes, when you go to your upstairs terrace, so what is there in your surrounding? Hills are there? Yes. Anyone is preparing hill? Anyone is preparing? No. Naturally it occurred. It's a God's gift. It is a God's gift. Yes. Next one is a tree. In your neighborhood, trees are there? Yes, trees, plants are there. Who are preparing trees and plants? No one is preparing. It's naturally occurred, and it's a God's gift. It's a God's gift. So, example for natural feature is example for natural features are hills, trees, rocks. Yes, all these are examples for natural features. These are in our neighborhood. So what natural features gives beauty to your neighborhood. It gives beauty to your neighborhood. It gives beauty to your neighborhood. Yes. If you are looking at the hills, trees, how you will feel? Yes, looking so nice that natural things, those are natural things, naturally occur, natural features. Though no one is not preparing, when you are seeing the nature, how you will feel? You can feel a very pleasant feeling, and you will feel very happy when you are looking at the trees, hills. So these are the natural features. No one is preparing those natural features. Naturally occurred. Those are God's gift. Examples are hills, mountains, trees, which are surrounding in our neighborhood. These are the natural features which are in your neighborhood. Yes, in your neighborhood there are trees, plants, hills. Yes. So these gives beauty to your neighborhood. These gives beauty to your neighborhood. Yes, that is about natural features. That is about natural features. Next, I am going to explain you artificial features. What it is? Artificial features. Artificial features also we can call it as man-made features. What it is? Man-made features. Man-made or artificial features. Man-made or artificial. Man-made or artificial features. Man-made or artificial features. What are man-made or artificial features? Man-made or artificial features are nothing but these are prepared by human beings. Who are preparing? These are artificial. That means man-made or human beings. Human beings only are preparing. Or preparing. Who are preparing? Human beings are preparing the man-made or artificial features. Man-made or artificial features. Examples are, I will tell you, in your neighborhood, what are there man-made or artificial features? I will explain you about man-made or artificial features one by one. Market. In your neighborhood there is a market. Temple. Yes. Hospital. Yes. When you are not feeling well, where you will go? You will go to a hospital, and there should be a medical shop. There you can buy the medicines. That medical shop we can call it as a chemist shop. What it is? Chemist shop. Chemist shop is nothing but a medical shop. Yes. So if you want to buy the medicines, we need a chemist shop. Yes. And in your neighborhood only police station is there. Police station. Cloth store. Yes. Fire station. Fire station is also there. Yes, children? Yes. These are the man-made or artificial features in our neighborhood. So, man-made or artificial features are nothing but human beings only preparing the man-made or artificial features. These are the examples. Market. In your surrounding, in your neighborhood, market is there. Yes. If you want to buy the fruits and vegetables, from where we are getting? From the market. Yes. And also a grocery shop should be there. If you want to buy rice, dal, soaps, shampoos, from where we have to get it? From the market. We have a shopping mall. From there we will buy. And after that, temple. So in your neighborhood, in your surroundings, there will be 2 or 3 temples will be there in some neighborhoods. So to temple, for what we are going? To worship the God. And not only temple, church also will be there. Masjid also is there in your neighborhood. Yes. Coming to hospital. If you are not feeling well, you are suffering with fever or with cough, cold, we will go to the hospital. Their doctor will treat you and he will give the prescription. That means he will prescribe some medicines to you. So you will go to the chemist shop. Chemist shop is nothing but medical shop. Chemist shop is nothing but medical shop. From there you will buy the medicines. That is about chemist shop. Yes. Next one is coming to police station. What is police station? Yes, police station is nothing but when a thief entered into your house and he theft your money or something. So what you will do? You will go to the police station and you will give complaint to the policemen who are there in the police station. Then what he will do? He will catch the thief. Yes, so in your neighborhood only there will be a police station. Yes. Coming to cloth store. If you are going to celebrate your birthday, so what you will do? You will purchase or you will buy a new dress on occasion of your birthday. So if you want to go to the cloth store in your neighborhood, there will be a cloth store also. Big shopping malls also there. Yes. Next, coming to fire station. If any fire accident happened, what we will do? We will call to the fire station. There the person who are there in the fire station will come and help you. Yes, I will show you some charts regarding this. See children, what is this? Yes, these are the man-made or artificial features which are there in your neighborhood. Post office, bank also there in your neighborhood. Yes, hospital, fire station, police station and bus station. If you want to go to anywhere in your neighborhood near a bus station also will be there. Fire station, I already told you, any fire accident happened, you will go to the you will call to the fire station, then fireman who are there in the fire station will come and help you. Yes, after that, bank in your neighborhood, a bank also will be there for the money transactions. Yes, coming to post office, in your neighborhood, a post office also there. From where we have to post your letters, greeting cards, etc. Hospital, I told you that if you are suffering with fever, you have to go to the hospital. There doctor will treat you and he will give the medicines to you. Yes, and then medicines, that prescription he will give you, and you have to go to the chemist shop. Chemist shop is nothing but medical shop. Chemist shop is nothing but a medical shop from where we are buying our medicines. Yes. After that, what is there? This is the police station. Police station, when what happened? When a thief entered into your home and he theft something, what you will do? You will give complaint to in which station? Police station. You have to give the complaint there. There the policeman who are there, he will catch the thief. Yes children, all of you understand about neighborhood. How many types of features are there in the neighborhood? Man-made and natural. Natural and man-made features are there. Now I will explain you the speaking task about neighborhood. Children, go and bring your school book, your speaking task book. School book is there now. Go and bring that one. I will wait for you. Fast. Go and bring your speaking task book. Yes, children. Yes. What is our lesson name? Bring your speaking task book. Already we finished second lesson, Others in My World. now we are in third lesson, my neighborhood. My neighborhood. In that, the first speaking task. What is neighborhood? What is neighborhood? Now I am going to write the speaking task. You also have to follow along with me. Okay? Open that speaking task book, my neighborhood, lesson number 3. In that first speaking task, speak about neighborhood. What is a neighborhood? Yes, the area in which we live or our surrounding area is neighborhood. Yes, in that how many types I told you? 2 types. In neighborhood, we have natural features. We have natural features. Yes, example, hills and trees. Example, hills, trees. In neighborhood, natural features brings beauty. In neighborhood, natural features brings beauty. Yes. Next one is in neighborhood we have man-made features. In neighborhood we have man-made features. Yes, what are the examples for man-made? I told you, market, yes, schools, parks, etc. Schools and parks, police station. Yes, every neighborhood provides us with what we need to be happy and healthy. Yes, every neighborhood provides us what we need to be happy and healthy. What we need to be happy and healthy. Yes, what we need to be happy and healthy. Yes, children, all of you understand this speaking task. I will explain you in detail. So one by one, you have to listen to me carefully. Yes, all of you understand? Now I am going to read it. So, neighborhood. What is a neighborhood? The area in which we live or our surrounding area is neighborhood. You have to read along with me. The area in which we live, or our surrounding area is neighborhood. In neighborhood we have natural features. In neighborhood we have natural features. Example: hills, trees. In neighborhood natural features brings beauty. In neighborhood natural features brings beauty. In neighborhood we have man-made features. In neighborhood we have man-made features. Example: market, schools and parks. Every neighborhood provides us what we need to be happy and healthy. All of you understand, children? This is our speaking task about neighborhood. So what is our homework? What is your homework? So in this lesson, practice the speaking task 1 about neighborhood. How many types of neighborhoods are there? 2 types, natural and artificial or man-made features are there. In that you have to practice the speaking task 1 and you have to send me the voice message. All of you understand, children? In the next video we will meet you and continue our lesson. Thank you, children. Bye bye.